Hey guys, it's Monster Smasher here, and welcome back to another video. Today I am playing something quite different. This game is called Zardy's Maze. It is a horror game. Now, I am not very familiar with horror games, so this will be interesting for me. Oh gosh, this is already scary. Okay, I haven't actually played this yet. I've gotten into this area, but I've never actually gone in the maze yet. Gosh, I'm scared. Okay. Yeah, I'll admit it. I'm actually kind of scared. Flashlight. Oh, good. I get a flashlight. That's good. Oh, no. Oh, no. I don't like this already. I already hate this. Okay. Gosh. Oh, gosh. I'll turn my volume down a bit. Because I don't want to get, like, a jump scare and then, like, freak out. Oh, no. It's open. It's starting. It's starting. Oh no, I need to recharge this thing before I go in the maze. Okay, so I have to destroy the 3 weeds. Okay. I'm here. I'm in the maze. I don't like this. Okay, I've seen videos on this, so I know how it works, but don't like turning around the corners. I'm afraid there's gonna be someone like right there, like, coming to get me. I don't like it. Oh gosh. I already haven't even found the first weed yet, and that's not good. I think I went the wrong way. Yeah, I think I heard you're supposed to go right. Gosh, I found it. Gosh, I see the brute. Oh no, is he coming after me? Good, they can't leave that area. This is already so scary. Gosh, I'm so nervous. Something's gonna pop out at me. I don't like when things pop out at me. I'm out. Where's the brute? I don't see the brute. Where's the brute? Oh, there's Zardy. Or that might be Pumpkin Jack. I'm going. No! Oh my gosh! Yeah. Oh my gosh! My heart. Oh. Ah. That just freaked me out so bad. Oh my gosh. Okay. Try this again. I saw him in the thing, and then he like disappeared. What the heck? Didn't know Zardy do that. And actually, fun fact, if you guys didn't know, Zardy is actually a girl. Look it up, it's true. No, Cable Crow, Cable Crow, Cable Crow. Oh shoot. Get out. No, get out. I am not playing around with that. It's Pumpkin Jack. Oh my gosh. Wait, was that Pumpkin Jack or was that Zardy? I actually don't know now. Because they could have both been there, or that could have just been Zardy the whole time. I don't remember. I need to be more, like, suspecting, because I am not expecting these guys to attack me, and then they end up attacking me, and my heart almost flies out of my chest, so... if you guys want me to play, like, more games like this, then just give the video a like. I don't usually do horror games. They're not usually my type. I like Baldi's Basics. Baldi's Basics is fun. But I don't usually typically like horror games. I shouldn't have entered the base. I have to charge this thing. Shouldn't have entered the maze yet. I don't think I'm going to be good at, like, turning my flashlight on real quick. The guy comes. Gosh, Cable Crow. Those Cable Crows freak me out. They just... Well, there's actually only one. But he just... Oh, right, like that. He just can shoot across anywhere to those other cables. And I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Don't like that one bit. Oh, shit. Oh no, no. He's coming after me. He's gonna come after me. No, this is not the place to be, Zardy. Oh my gosh. Okay, go. No, the Cable Crow's coming. No, stop. Dang it. I got my first. I got a vine though, at least. That's good. Dang it, the Cable Crow got me. This is actually pretty nerve-wracking. Oh, I knew he was gonna get me. That was terrible. Like, every single guy, except for Pumpkin Jack, was there at the moment trying to get me. Okay. Let me in. This game is hard. I mean, I've seen people speedrun this in under 2 minutes. That just makes no sense whatsoever, in my opinion. Like, how? No, Brute. No, I'm out. Get me out of here. I thought I just saw Pumpkin Jack, too. Ah, Zardy. Oh, okay, I'm out. want the battery to this thing to run out. That would be good. Okay, I see the other flower. Why is everything blue? You're kidding. You're kidding me. Oh my gosh, this thing needs charged. And now the brute's gonna get me. Oh, is that the one I already got? Dang it! Oh my gosh. I'm done. I'm literally done for. And what are these vines? Dude, what are these vines? I can't see a thing now. Oh my gosh. Ah, my gosh. Well, this game is hard. Okay, is there like... How? That's impossible. Challenge. What's the challenge? Okay. Challenge 1 is go to the distance. Custom. Oh, okay, so I can like change this. Oh, I can change the difficulty of it. No, I did not mean to do that. Dang it. Okay, I need it. I want to see if I can like make this like easier. I know I'm like, because this is hard. I want to try to beat it while it's easy, and then after I beat it while it's easy, you slowly, gradually get it harder to where it's regularly at. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make the. Is this seriously as easy as it gets? What is a drought? I'll put them up there. I don't know what those corn stalkers are either. And what is a rattler? I want to see what they are. I hope I didn't just make up. I hope I didn't just like make a bad decision. What the heck? Why didn't I start my farm? I don't like that. I didn't start my farm. Oh gosh. Well, I'm coming. And I don't know how to deal with those rattlers or droughts. So I don't know what they do. How to escape. I'm kidding. My flashlight's out. I didn't even realize it was on. Oh, that's a brute. That's a brute. That's a brute. That's a brute. Oh my gosh. What is that light? I don't like that. I don't like that light. I do not like that light. I'm gonna guess that's whatever that drought is. Why am I going towards it? Why am I going towards it? Oh, does it just like make it hard to see or something? It's not doing anything. Well, I don't think I should be following it right now. Did it just teleport me? What? I do not want to be by these poles. Cable crows can come. I don't know what this thing is. Is it just like teleporting me? I think it's teleporting me away. Seriously. You're not gonna catch me today, Zardy. Oh no, not again. I don't like this thing. I don't know what it does. I don't like it though. I don't like it. I don't know much about it. All I know is I don't like it. I haven't seen whatever the rattlers are yet though. Wait, am I back at the... Okay, I don't know. Well, that game was terrifying, and if you guys enjoyed, drop a like on this video, and maybe I'll play this again. Bye.